Welcome back. Now we'll see what is SAP CDS view. CDS view are the next generation database views which go beyond the limited capability of database views which we create with the SE11 on single or multiple tables. SAP ABAP CDS views are used for defining and consuming semantic data models on the standard tables or the data dictionary views. So here are some of the differences in the normal database view and the CDS views. To create a dictionary view, we make use of GUI or Eclipse, but the CDS views we can create only through Eclipse or the HANA Studio. In the CDS view, we have the concept of called annotation, which gives power to the CDS view. This functionality we don't have in the normal database views. In normal database view, we cannot perform any aggregation. Take example, while selecting the data, we want to perform some addition, subtraction, multiplication. This we cannot do in the normal dictionary view. Then in this case, first we have to select the data and then perform the operation. But this we can easily do if you are using the CDS view. This means that we can directly perform the aggregation on the view at the database layer. We can also do the grouping in the CDS view, and along with the join, that is inner join, etc., which is possible in the dictionary view. In the CDS view, we have one additional concept of union that we'll see while creating the CDS views. And along with this, we can also add the case expressions, like if case A, then XYZ. Like that, there are multiple ways we can use a case expression at a CDS view. The next feature in the CDS view is the input parameters. We can pass the parameter directly to the view to filter the data for the column calculations. We can also use the operators, and the most advantage of CDS view is to create the OData service. Once we develop the OData service with simple annotation, once we develop the CDS view with a simple annotation, we can create the OData service. This we learn while creating the CDS views. As a main advantage of CDS view is code pushdown concepts. So take a simple example here. Suppose if you're selecting some data from a database table and you want to perform some aggregation on that. So what we do, first we select the data, then on the application layer, we make a loop. Inside the loop, we perform all the operation and the data is sent back to the presentation layer. But here, with the help of CDS view, the calculation we can directly perform at the database level. So when the data is selected, so by default, all the calculation is done. Data directly come to application server and then goes to presentation server. So all the time get reduced, which we required at the application server layer when we are using the normal dictionary views. So here are some different types of CDS views which we have to do practice. First is like basic CDS view, then CDS view with the parameter, CDS view with the join. Then here we can also extend an existing CDS view. The next, view on existing view. And the very important topic, CDS view with association. This is also called as a join on demand. And then one more type like CDS view with the table function. On the right hand side, you can see the structure of a CDS view from the Eclipse. Here, all these added sign are known as annotation. Those are very powerful. Here are some basic annotations out there. There are many more. And here you can see this is the view name. And here select form is we have to assign database table. And then we can add or fields here. And this is one example of case statement. So this is a theoretical small introduction to CDS view. Remaining all will learn while creating actual practical session of each CDS view. Thank you.